Hey, it's Melissa from WTI, and I'm about to make dinner, and I would not be able to make dinner without this amazing rice cooker by CUCKOO. I love the sound that it makes. It actually sounds like a cuckoo bird. How cool is that? You get dinner and entertainment in one. It is so tasty that we eat rice at least 3 times a week in this household, sometimes even as comfort food. Let me show you how easy it is to work. You open it up. It has a pot that comes out. Look at how beautiful this pot is. We got the rice in. I like to rinse my rice out, which is why I am glad that this pot lifts out. Once we rinse the rice, we put it back in. We close the lid, and it has a lock on it for any... How cool is that? That's right. It speaks Korean. And I don't often know what it says, but it is written in English, so you can translate. I like to just to go with it. It's authentic, right? I push the pressure cook button. I already have it set for my sushi rice. And then once it's done, I want to show you the consistency. So amazing. I think it just told me to have a good day. And you know what? I will, because I have this rice and I think that you're going to enjoy this too. And that's my point of view.